Session track.
6. Music.
Stop. Carry on.
So
Featuring the ever-playful Kian Kieran shouting one of my old Radio 1 catchphrases there. That will be the award-winning "Stop! Carry on!" The Super Furries very kindly agreeing to perform my all-time favourite tune of theirs, Ice Hockey Hair, in session for us 18 years ago. And I had the joy of seeing the band do the song 6 times over the course of 3 shows. I'll explain. Once in the soundcheck, once in the actual set, as both they and my old band, the Shire Horses, were opening for Blur at the MEN Arena, the NEC in Birmingham, and Sheffield Arena. Happy days. And of course, Super Furry Animals are back, and I am beyond thrilled. Can't wait to see